What's going on, family? Welcome to Discover Flavor. Today, we're gonna make a coconut and banana pudding from scratch. I hope y'all ready. If y'all wanna see how I made it, just pay close attention. First, you wanna separate 5 egg yolks. Now this takes a little time to learn how to do, because you have eggshell or you be cracking egg yolk inside your whites. Now you don't want that. So just take your time. There you have it, 5 egg yolks. We got our sugar. We're gonna mix that together. We're gonna add our cornstarch, and that's gonna solidify this pudding. So we're gonna go ahead and mix that until we have this beautiful the yellow sheen on that mixture. Add a little salt. Now, we're gonna bring our whole milk to boil. This process is called scalding. We're gonna bring it to a boil. Temper the eggs. So we're gonna add just a little bit to get it warm. Mixing as we go. We don't want scrambled eggs. We're trying to make a pudding here. Alright, so slowly adding your hot milk. That scalded milk there. And you can tell when you're ready to add the rest, because if you touch the bottom of the bowl, it'll be warm, and you know you're good to go. Turn it to the heat for about 1 to 2 minutes, no longer than that, and that'll help thicken up this pudding here. All right. Once you cut the heat on, it'll almost be instantaneous. Whisking it just to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. And as you can see, it's thickening up already. I just take it right off the heat, continue to mix. So now we're going to add that back to our bowl. We're going to add our coconut and vanilla extract. Then we're going to throw in 1 tablespoon of butter. And that's going to give it a nice sheen. It's not going to stick to the bowl. And it's going to give that extra flavor to the pudding. Now we're going to add the saran wrap, the cling wrap on there. We're going to make sure to touch the wrap onto the pudding, so when you cool it, it doesn't create a little shell on there. You don't need that. You need all your pudding. So let's throw that in the fridge. Let's go ahead and whip up some cream. Got some sugar here. We're going to go ahead and add all our whole heavy whipping cream. whip it until it becomes whipped cream. It's nothing more simple than that. It's nice and sweet and fluffy, airy. Gotta give it a taste. So we got our shortbreads, we got our vanilla wafers there. Just add the vanilla wafers to the bag. Now we're gonna add our shortbread cookies. We're gonna pound out these cookies. We're gonna mix them together. It's gonna give it a nice little flavor there. We got our banana. We're gonna cut our banana up. Now we can put everything together. So we're gonna start with a layer of our pudding, fresh out of the fridge. Then we're gonna throw a nice layer of bananas on there. On there. And a nice dollop of whipped cream. It's coming together now. This thing's light, airy, it's just delicious, rich, creamy. One layer of the shortbread cookies. Another layer of banana and coconut pudding. Chop up another banana because I don't necessarily like to keep them out. They get brown, so I chop them up as I need them. So we're gonna go and add those. Look how creamy that pudding is. Add another layer of the crumble. We're gonna follow that with more whipped cream. I don't think I understand how light and airy and fluffy that is. I don't know if you can see that from this angle, but This stuff is amazing. Follow up with one more crumble, and there you have it. Discovered flavors, coconut, banana, cream, banana pudding. Alright, it's time to dig in. So family, there you have it. Banana and coconut pudding. If you would, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. If you got any suggestions, let me know. Don't forget to hit that bell for notifications for new videos. Thank you for joining Discover Flavor. I'll speak to y'all soon.